Well, officially the high topped out at 95, a good 6 degrees above average, still below the record of 101 set back in 1988. But with the humidity, it felt like the record, with temperatures still at this time into the lower 100s for the heat index. The current temperatures at the moment are in the low to mid 90s, cooling just a bit where showers have been occurring. But again, with that humidity, it makes it feel hotter. 106 Dalton, 107 Chatsworth, and Cleveland 105. These levels about the same tomorrow. The reason why that heat advisory continues for tomorrow through the early evening hours for most areas locally. Now, on top of that, there is going to be the risk for more scattered storms. We're seeing some right now, a lot of these east of I-75, but a little bit more widespread tomorrow afternoon. And this same area where they're strong now has a better chance of those storms being strong again. Severe thunderstorm warnings continue across Clay and Cherokee County. That storm not moving all that much, so heavy downpours, excessive runoff possible. Along with that, the wind gust potential of up to 60. A lot of lightning. Brasstown over to around Murphy. One advisory here near Crandall, northern Murray County, and northeastern parts of Whitfield. Could have gust upwards of 40. Watch out for lightning and heavy downpours. Same thing right along 64 there in Polk County. These will be kind of scattered around through the early evening hours, diminishing after sunset, and then get started again tomorrow. A pattern we're going to have to get used to over the next several days. As far as the severe threat, the highest chance on level 1 for areas to the east through tonight. But tomorrow, that expands. Area-wide on level 1 risk. A better chance into our eastern part of our viewing area over the Blue Ridge Mountains. So here's the future track for tomorrow morning. Temperatures in the 70s early. Around midday, temperatures low to mid 90s, and then into the afternoon hours, those scattered storms developing again, east to west movement, and again, some of those could be strong to severe. They're going to be very scattered, not all areas seeing it locally, but where you do see it, you have the benefit of it cooling down a bit, but at the same time, the risk potential that some of those could be strong to severe. So tomorrow, that keeps us alert for that chance of storms and the heat. High temperatures mid to upper 90s, heat index above 100, and that chance of scattered storms, highest risk and more numerous to the east. But in the days ahead, we have to get used to this pattern. Daily rounds of scattered storms, not all day, but the chances grew higher that you'll experience an afternoon storm through late week and the weekend. And with that slightly better chance, temperatures down just a few degrees, but still very humid, highs low 90s.
All right, David, thanks so much. Now let's take a look at